What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another airport update. Today's video we have a Kahului Airport airport update, which is weird because, as most of you know, I discontinued that. But Honolulu is taking some extra time, so I figured I'd bring this back for the moment. I don't know if I want to keep it forever. It's possible that I could just keep it like somewhere else in my room, like under something, and then when I want to do an airport update, pull it out, but I don't know. So let's get straight into it. If you do like aviation content and you want to be entered into the giveaway, make sure you smash that big red subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you do not miss future uploads. Plus, it really supports my channel, and according to my analytics, 70% of you guys that watch my videos aren't subscribed. So if you want to show a little extra support to me and subscribe, I would really appreciate that. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Starting off with this ANA Airbus A380. These fly to Honolulu, not Kahului, but it got diverted due to the you-know-what going around. Got diverted out to Kahului. This came in from Tokyo. Blasting off runway 2, we have a Hawaiian Airbus A321neo. This aircraft is departing out to San Diego, California. Pulling off runway 2 here, we have a American 757-200. This aircraft just arrived in from Phoenix. As most of you know, due to the thing going around at the moment, the American 757-200 is retired. So it's really sad to see, but I did a proper send-off in the last airport update, which would be the Colorado Springs one. So go check that out if you haven't already. So yeah, I did a proper send-off there. It's really sad. They also retired their A330s, E190s, 757s, 767s. So they retired 4 aircrafts, all because of this thing going around. It is pretty sad, but I mean, I guess I can live without it. But I will miss seeing these birds at Kahului. So yeah, let's get on to the next plane. Third in line for departure, here we have a WestJet 767. This will be heading out to Calgary. So before the Maxes got grounded, WestJet was flying their Max 8 here, and then when they got grounded, they obviously stopped flying here. United also flew their Max 9 here, but because of the Maxes being grounded, they no longer fly here. So it's just a normal 737-800 or 900, so yeah. Second in line for departure, we have a Virgin America Airbus A321neo. I'm saying this is operating for Alaska. I'm not sure. No, I don't think they didn't even keep one plane in this livery, which is kind of sad. They should have had like a retro, but whatever. This will be heading out to San Francisco. And here we have a Alaska 737-900 honoring those who served livery. This is first in line for departure, and this will be heading out to Sacramento, sorry. The Sacramento route is getting discontinued May 20th, which is kind of sad. I have noticed a lot of airlines are pulling out of Sacramento, and like Oakland, some airline that was pretty big there was pulling out of Oakland, I saw, and I was like, oh, that's weird. But yeah, so heading out to Sacramento. Here we have 2 Southwest planes. So the one in front of us, which would be right here. Here we have a Southwest 737-800. This aircraft is just sitting here getting some maintenance done, and it'll be doing a flight out to San Jose later in the day. In about 2 hours, it'll be departing out to San Jose. Then the one in the back here is getting passengers on for a flight out to San Diego. So as most of you probably know, the San Diego route just started here. So now they have Southwest has a lot of routes here, like the intra-island flights, and they have flights from California to here. So yeah, that's pretty nice that they're expanding here. Here we have a Hawaiian Airbus A330-200. This aircraft is in the old livery and is departing out to Los Angeles. Here we have a Hawaiian Boeing 717. This aircraft just arrived in from Kona. Pulling into the gate here we have a Hawaiian Boeing 717. This aircraft is pulling in from Honolulu. And here we have a Hawaiian Airbus A321neo. This aircraft just arrived in from Sacramento. I did hear that I heard a rumor that they were pulling out of Sacramento, like they were gonna discontinue the route from Sacramento to here and Sacramento to Honolulu. I saw it on Instagram, but I'm not sure if it's actually true, so if you guys know, leave a comment down below. And here we have a Delta 757-300. This is actually operated on a Dash 200, but anyway, this will be heading out to Seattle, Washington. Here we have a United Boeing 737-800. This aircraft is in the new livery and is departing out to San Francisco. So before the MAX got retired, they flew the MAX 9 here from Los Angeles and San Francisco. And I actually bought 2 of them because I realized there were a few at Denver and there were some here, so I was like, oh man, I really gotta buy them. Now they're grounded and I can't use them anywhere, so that's just nice. But it was really sad to see them grounded. I did see that they were doing a few test flights, so possibly they're working on bringing it back, but I also heard they were going to completely scrap it, so I don't really know what the truth is anymore. But yeah, we'll get on to the next plane. And here we have a Hawaiian Airbus A330-200. This aircraft is in the new livery, and as you can see, it is getting fuel, baggage, and catering done, and final passengers on for a non-stop flight out to Seattle. Really, the only routes they operate the A330 on now are the Los Angeles route and the Seattle route. They don't operate it like San Diego, like San Diego and other airports. They don't operate it anymore. They operate the A321neo. So yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, this is just a few pieces of wood I found for as you can see in the background, for the terminals. Like this entire terminal is just pieces I found, mainly because I kind of use the Kahului terminals to like for Honolulu, but Honolulu is gonna look really good once it's done. It's almost done. I got all the gates down, so it's ready for that, and yeah, I'm super excited. So anyway, this American 777-300 will be departing out to Dallas-Fort Worth. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this brand new Kahului, or not brand new, but like I brought it back, so I hope you guys do enjoy. If you did, make sure to leave a like, and hit that big red subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. It really supports me, and there is a giveaway in the future, and the only way you can enter is if you are subscribed. I'm not yet sure when the giveaway is going to be. I'm hoping at like 3K subs, which we're not too far away from. We're a little over halfway. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, and if you guys want me to bring this airport back, please let me know down in the comments. Say something like, bring it back, or I really like this airport, or something. Don't put it like awesome video and then say I want it back. Just keep it as a separate comment. That way I don't get mixed up or whatever. That way I know if you guys actually want it back. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next airport update, which I believe is Denver, or a requested one. I'll see. I can kind of mix it up until Honolulu is ready. So yeah, peace out guys.